Today we are going to be making a paper airplane. Not only a paper airplane, but we are making a paper launcher also. So first things, you'll need a ruler, a rubber band, a cardboard paper and a A4 paper to make the plane. First we are making the paper airplane. You take this edge to the line. The third step will need a crease. So crease it a good crease. And you take this side and do the same thing. Now this part you try taking it like this, and just this side if it doesn't come correctly, don't worry, it's okay, a mistake happens. And now you take this part here, this one, you take it the other side, and this you put it to this line, and then this you just fold it like this again, then do the same step. Then take the other side. This part you fold it, and this part you just fold in half, and then take the other side, and then you fold it like this. But then this one you take it like this. And then this you fold it like this, and then do like this, and then this one you fold it to the line, then this part, and now do the same step. Take the other side. This part you take the inside and you fold it like this, and you do this. It's okay, just crease it. And then do the same step with the other side. And then take this side. Now you all would need the ruler. You see, just take it like this, and then now you fold it like this. Take the rule out. Now you should crease it a lot, because the crease will definitely be needed for this step. And we are almost done. And do the same step with the other side. Just crease it. Don't have a good crease, just crease it. And now take the other side. Now it will bend, so let it bend then you fold it like this, and your plane should look like this. And this part, you fold it up and do same step with the other side. And now this one, you take it up. Now your plane should look like this. And now let's make the launcher. First, you'll take a cardboard sheet. Now you take this part to the line. Just place it. And this part, this one, just take one piece of this and you fold it onto that line. Then this, you take it right here. This launcher might not work on our paper airplane, but then do the same step on the other side. Now you'll just take it, and you see these two parts, you take it like this. So have this rubber band, and you just take it. It might not fly, and you're done. It looks like a supersonic plane, but it's a model, so it doesn't fly. And that's it. So I will teach you many more models like this in the future. Hope you stay tuned. Now we are going to be testing the launcher, but with a different plane. Take the paper plane. This you must put it inside. Now you have this. You imagine that it would increase the speed of the paper airplane. So that's all, friends. Let's meet next time. Bye.